Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your organization blocked this file because it didn't meet a security policy. First method is remove browser extension. Second method is change group policy settings. Open Do Not Preserve Zone information in file attachments, change to enabled. Third method is turn off virus and threat protection or disable third-party antivirus. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.